In this video, we listed the 5 best cheap drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lenovo D16. The Lenovo D16 mini drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, featuring an impressive 8K HD dual camera that captures stunning images and videos. With advanced obstacle avoidance technology, it ensures safe navigation, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. The drone boasts a remarkable flight range of up to 20,000 meters, allowing for extensive exploration. Its sleek, aerodynamic design is complemented by a fixed remote control for precise maneuvering. Weighing only 420 grams and made from durable ABS plastic, the D16 is portable and ideal for outdoor adventures. This model, released in 2025, combines innovative technology with ease of use, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography experience. Number 2. Xiaomi CZ06. The Xiaomi CZ06 GPS drone is a professional-grade flying machine designed for aerial photography enthusiasts, featuring an impressive 8K HD camera capable of recording high-resolution video at 7680 by 4320 pixels. This drone incorporates advanced laser obstacle avoidance technology and is powered by a brushless motor, ensuring a smooth flight experience. Weighing only 300 grams, it supports a maximum takeoff weight of 5 to 6 kilograms and offers a flight duration of up to 20 minutes with a remote control range of 20,000 meters. The drone operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies and is controlled via an app or remote. With its compact design, the Xiaomi CZ06 is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage while providing robust features for safety and ease of use. It is available for purchase at a discounted price of $3.71, with shipping options to Bangladesh. Number 3. Xiaomi S3 Drone. The Lenovo S3 Drone, also marketed as a Xiaomi product, advertised as a remote control fighter equipped with 8K per 4K HD dual cameras. Key features include a flight range of up to 10,000 m, a 3-axis gimbal for camera stabilization, GPS, and obstacle avoidance capabilities. It supports video recording in MP4 format up to 8K resolution and offers a flight time of approximately 25 minutes. It is designed for users aged 6 and up, with a remote controller boasting an 1800 mAh battery. The drone itself has a 2200 mAh battery, weighs 200 g, and supports expandable storage. It is being sold by the Rebel by Birth store on Aliexpress with various promotional discounts. Number 4. Lenovo P11 Pro Max. The Lenovo P11 Pro Max drone is a state-of-the-art aerial photography device tailored for both professionals and hobbyists. It features a dual camera system with an impressive 8K HD front camera and a 4K rear camera, enabling users to capture breathtaking images from various angles. Boasting advanced 5G GPS technology and 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, the drone ensures stable and safe flights. With a flight time of approximately 45 minutes and a control range of up to 10,000 meters, it offers extended exploration capabilities. The brushless motor enhances performance and longevity, while their compact, foldable design makes it easy to transport. Additionally, the drone includes user-friendly features like gesture shooting and comes with essential accessories, making it a versatile tool for capturing stunning visuals. Priced competitively, it is available for shipping to Bangladesh, ensuring accessibility for enthusiasts worldwide. Number 5. Xiaomi V66. The Xiaomi V66 Mini RC drone is a compact and feature-rich aerial photography device designed for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Equipped with an 8K HD dual camera, it allows for stunning image capture with a remarkable 50x optical zoom. The drone features intelligent GPS-based obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning, ensuring safe and stable flights. With a lightweight design of only 70 grams and a flight duration of approximately 12 minutes, it is perfect for quick aerial adventures. The remote control operates within a range of 200 meters and includes user-friendly functions such as one-click takeoff and landing, headless mode, and gesture photography. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, with a charging time of about 60 minutes. Priced at US $23.26, it is available for shipping to Bangladesh, making it an accessible option for those looking to explore the world of drone photography.